Hello student, today we are going to discuss another topic of an expert system, that is components of an expert system. Now in last lecture we are discussed the things which are related to the expert system. So expert system, it is a subunit, sub part of an artificial intelligence which gives an expert advice to the decision maker. It is also called as a piece of software which uses a database of an expert knowledge to offer advice or to make decision in such areas: medical diagnosis, finance, coding, gaming, and etc. Now there are three components for an expert system, that is user interface, inference engine, and knowledge base. We will discuss these things one by one. First one is user interface. So user may not be an expert in that field, so it will retrieve the information from knowledge base, inference engine, and interface. It take the database from knowledge engineer, and knowledge engineer upgrade the database from that human experts. User interface. With the help of a user interface, the expert system interacts with the user, takes queries as an input in a readable format, and passes it to the inference engine. After getting the response from the inference engine, it displays the output to the user. In other words, it is an interface that helps a non-expert user to communicate with the expert system to find a solution. Inference engine. It is also called as rules of an engine. The inference engine is known as the brain of the expert system. It is the main processing unit of the system. It applies inference rules to the knowledge base to derive a conclusion or to deduce the new information. It helps in deriving an error-free solution of queries which is asked by the user. With the help of an inference engine, the system extracts the knowledge from the knowledge base. Components of an expert system. There are two types for inference engine: deterministic and probabilistic inference engine. So deterministic means what? The conclusions which are drawn from this type of inference engine which are assumed to be true. It is based on the fact and rules. Probabilistic. This type of inference engine contains uncertainty in the conclusion and based on the probability. Inference engine use the below modes to derive the solution: forward chaining, backward chaining, and knowledge base. It starts from the known fact and rules and apply the inference rule to the add their conclusion to the known facts. Backward chaining. It is a backward reasoning method that starts from the goal and works backward to the prove the known fact. The knowledge base. It is a type of storage that stores a knowledge acquired from the different expert of the particular domain. It is considered as a big storage of a knowledge which is to be upgraded by the expert. The more the knowledge base, the more precise will be the expert system. It is similar to the database which is to be contain information and rule of a particular domain or subject. The components of a knowledge base. Factual knowledge. The knowledge which is based on fact and accepted by knowledge engineer comes under factual knowledge. Heuristic knowledge. This knowledge is based on the practice, the ability to gauge evaluation and experiences. Knowledge representation. It is used to formalize the knowledge stored in the knowledge base using the if-else rules. This is also called as logic-based representation. Knowledge acquisition. It is the process of extracting, organizing, and structuring the domain knowledge, specifying the rules to acquire the knowledge from various experts, which is stored that knowledge into the knowledge base. In next lecture, we are going to discuss advantages, disadvantages, and application of an expert system. Okay, thank you.